Season's greetings to your family from the KFC family.
Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Dixon. I'm a shift manager here at Black River KFC 45. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hello everyone, my name is Stacey Foster, sending greetings from the Black River KFC to my husband and to the whole entire staff. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
Hello everyone, my name is Sana Facey, sending Christmas greetings from Black River KFC number 45. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all my family when it comes.
Hi everyone, my name is Tanika and I'm a member of number 45 KFC. I'd like to send Christmas greetings to my husband, my mom and dad, and my son and daughter, Akena and Najee. Merry Christmas guys and have a Happy New Year.
Hello everyone, my name is Anna K. Sewell, sending greetings from Black River KFC number 45. I would like to send special greetings to my daughter Gabrielle Samuels in Cambridge, my son RJ Holness, and my daughter Kaden Foga in Old Harbor, and the Sewell family. Special greetings to my sister Casita Sewell in Canada, and my best friend Mona Clark in New York. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Love you all. Mwah.
Greetings everyone, I'm Tamika Laird from Black River KFC number 45, sending greetings to Laird family in Slibe, St. Elizabeth, Angela Bent in Kingston, Saoirse B. Pat, my daughter, I love you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
My name is Alia. I'm from Black River KFC, number 45, and I'm sending greetings to all of my family in Kingston, Manchester, and St. Elizabeth. Love you guys. Merry Christmas. Season greetings from Black River number 45. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Woo!
Season's greetings to your family from the KFC family.
This is Jamaica's season for giving thanks for what matters. It's the time to show up, be there for each other, and to feed our hope for a brighter tomorrow. Celebrate being together with a KFC festive feast. Get the new festive 9 bucket. Proceeds from each festive feast purchase go towards hurricane relief. KFC is thinker lickin' good.